I'm gonna show you here one of the most popular replacement heads we sell, and what comes on a lot of these Echoes are these Speed Feed 400s. Really nice once you know how to take it apart and put it together. That's the beauty. You don't have to take it apart, and I'm gonna show you that today. This is coming standard on most of your Echoes. We do sell these to fit other saws. So as I said, your string has come about. You don't have to take this apart. So I'm gonna show you what we do. I'm gonna show you step by step. Take whatever string that you use or what you like. This particular string that I have here is produced by Echo. It's black diamond, really nice string. Now, well, you can see that, but it's got sharp edges on it. Really good string, but it doesn't really matter. Now, you're not going to cut two pieces for this. You're going to cut one. So what I do is I like to put about 6 to 7 foot per side. So since we're going to cut one, you're going to double that. Good rule of thumb, pull it out about high as your head, hold it in your hand, and then pull it back to itself. And then where your end is, cut it. I usually use a pair of dikes or a pair of scissors or pocket knife. Know who the hell that is, but they'll call back. All right, get you over here to the unit now. We got one about 13, 14 foot long piece of string. Now, if you look at this head, you will notice that there's a couple spots on it where you have these little tits. Now, if you'll notice, this back plate is separate on it. So what you want to do, there's only 2 of them tits, and they're right across from each other. Find those tits and spin that head until it lines up with that eyelet. Now, you probably can't see it, but you can see all the way through there. So what you do next is take one end, push it through, and it'll come out the other side. Put your 2 ends together and pull it till it's even. Now, if you'll look, notice here with that one piece of string, it comes through both sides. Now you'll take your hand, grasp just the top, and then spin the bottom. And when you do that, it rolls that line up into it. So you don't have to take the head off, and 90% of the time, it's gonna sling that string out when it gets down low, so you shouldn't even have to take it apart. I mean, you can't ask for much simpler than that. When you're out in the field, just cut a piece, stick it through, and wind it. It's just that simple. And these heads come with, if you'd watched the video I showed you before, adapters to be fit on many heads, on many different units. So if you got a unit and you want one of these heads, you bring it down by the head and we'll put it on with no extra charge. I appreciate y'all joining me.